guys, welcome back to our channel. Remember that this is the second episode for the hunting of 5,000 pesos cash giveaway. And if you don't know all the mechanics, please click on the white card on top of me or on the link of the video on the description area so you could know everything about the mechanics and make sure you could be that winner. Remember, we recommend to watch that video at least twice or more just to make sure that you know the answer is correct, as only the one with the correct answer will qualify for the raffle, and we only go announce those people on the day of the raffle, not before. So stay with us and don't go away. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is your friend Jacky D in another episode of Jacky D's Kitchen, and today we're cooking lunch, and it's burger a la Jacky D. We're gonna explain you later what it entails and a few. But before we go to the cooking part, remember to watch the mechanic if you wanna be the winner of those 5,000 pesos cash.
Yummy.
See you later. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're gonna be cooking our lunch of the day, a Jacky D burger. I hope you like it, and if you try it, I know you're gonna enjoy. It's a little bit of my likiness, but let's see what happened. Let's start with the ingredient, of course.
Yummy.
Longganisa. We're doing Longganisa burgers. Actually, the way I try to flatten it the most I can, I like it flattened because I try to get crispier meat. We have bacon. My burgers cannot be without the bacon, of course. And then ingredients, we got mozzarella cheese. In my case, in my opinion, I like the mozzarella cheese when you buy fresh mozzarella, and I mold it myself. For some reason, the texture and the flavor of the mozzarella, instead of buying it already in slice, is different. We got some tomato and some pineapple. I love burgers with pineapple. And
Yummy.
My secret sauce is right here. Is kiwi with balsamic vinaigrette. Kiwi with balsamic vinaigrette. I'm a fan of balsamic vinaigrette. So what I do is I put one piece of kiwi and I smash it, and then I put balsamic vinaigrette and I mix it and I create a sauce that I'm gonna throw on the top of the burger when it's done, and I know it's gonna be super delicious. So the first thing first, and little
yummy,
bit,
yummy.
as you know, I always like my virgin oil or whatever oil I leave it as soon as olive oil. I love my olive oil. Extra virgin is my favorite, but I love my olive oil. We're just gonna put a little bit, not too much. We just need the pan to be a little bit slippery, you know what I mean? The oil, so it doesn't get stick. Let's there you go. So we're gonna get this pan very hot, really hot. We're gonna put the burger, we're gonna cook them right quick, and we're gonna go this step by step, guys.
Yummy.
I'm a fan of the kitchen. I think it's one of the most how you say that? It's the best way to release the stress. When I cook, I let myself go and enjoy what I see. Listen, my mom teach me something. When you cook because you want to.
Yummy.
Cook because you love what you cook. I think people who have known me for years, they feel like I'm a really good cooker, and they always say, why you never open a restaurant? And I believe it, because if I open a restaurant, I don't gonna love what I'm doing. It's too much stress. To me, cooking has to be no stress. And when you put love in the food that you cook, oh boy, the flavor is ooh la la. Let me tell you something. That sounds like the pan is getting very hot. Yep. Now it's time to lower the fire a little bit and start putting the burgers.
Yummy.
I have the there you go. That's supposed to sound very nice. You want this longanisa to cook very well. I'm gonna raise it a little bit because I need this. The reason I like it flat is because it's cooked quicker and it's crispier. The meat is crispier, so that's the idea of the
Yummy.
cooking part. As you see, it's cooking well. That's the idea. We want to make it sure that it starts getting harder before we turn it around. Let me tell you guys, listen, my advice always tell you, if you have always an idea to do, you have to do it, right? I was talking to a friend and he said like, oh, but he said he had an idea, but every time they ask people, people say, ah, it doesn't gonna work. In my experience, when you ask somebody opinion about an idea, try to find somebody who's successful already. Try it. Try that hypothesis. When you have an idea, go to somebody who's been successful,
Yummy.
and I guarantee you that person will tell you to follow your dream. Nobody who haven't succeeded gonna think that you're gonna do it, because we people judge based on who we are. So if you have ever an idea and you wanna do something, go for it. The worst thing you could do in life is not knowing if you were capable to do it. When you don't do something you wanted to do,
Yummy. Yummy.
the saddest thing is you never gonna know if you were capable to make it happen. And it's always good to regret everything you do than regret something you didn't do. Okay guys, now it's time to flip it. Now it's time to flip it. There you go. Flipping the burger.
Yummy.
Gonna make this to cook. It's gonna release the oil. But I guarantee you this is an amazing thing to do. And I forget to tell you that we today is not only burgers, it's burgers and shake. The real companion of a nice burger is a nice milkshake, and we're gonna show you at the end as part of this amazing lunch. Nice burger with a nice strawberry shake. You're gonna love it. I forget to tell you that, but that's our surprise for the day. Make sure this burger to cook.
Yummy. Yummy.
Well, this burger, ladies and gentlemen, is almost ready. We're gonna raise the fire a little bit. Let me tell you something. To me, one of my favorite bread to cook burgers is bagels. And the reason I like bagels to do burgers is because this is a strong bread, right? Strong bread, even ciabatta, I like ciabattas too. And the reason is because I like messy burgers. I like the sauces, I like when the burger turn messy because in my belief is if the burger is not messy, doesn't have no flavor. So yes, you have to be messy if you want to have a burger with a lot of flavor.
Yummy.
So we are almost there. One thing I'm going to do before I turn this around is to put the mozzarella cheese in here for a little bit. Gonna turn this one first. Gonna lower it. We're gonna have some heat up there. So
Yummy.
we're gonna put the other piece of meat on top. And once we do that, we're gonna put the meat in here. The reason in here is because I have to cook the bacon, and there's something we're gonna do with the cheese and with the tomato and the pineapple, and this will help us to keep the heat inside so it's not cold when we are, and then we still have to do the milkshake, ladies and gentlemen.
Yummy.
Switch it this way. Gonna put the cheese on top. We're gonna open it up. Let me tell you, that mozzarella cheese is getting melted. So we're gonna close it so it can help us to keep the heat on it.
Yummy.
So we are done with the burgers. So we keep them on a bowl so it could hold the heat. Now we're gonna put the bacon right quick. And this is very important. We spread the bacon properly.
Yummy.
I know. Stay with me. This is bacon. The reason the bacon be
Yummy.
properly spread. I'm gonna run it. The bacon properly spread. Sorry.
Yummy.
One thing we're gonna do when the bacon is ready, we're gonna bring the burgers here. I'm gonna leave it here. So I'm gonna put whatever is in here, we're gonna put it right here until we finish
Yummy,
with the
yummy.
tomato and the pineapple, okay? Stay with me. This is a nice burger. This is what you do when you board at home and you're hungry. And you figured it out how to make your life easier and happier.
Yummy. Yummy.
I just need my bacon to be rounded for a little bit. A little bit of shake. The reason why the bacon has to be this rounded here. Don't worry. Let this bacon cook.
Yummy.
Turn around one more time. Let this bacon cook.
Yummy.
Don't worry guys, this is the last step. Gonna put that piece in there. You're gonna turn it around.
Yummy.
You're gonna add another piece on front of it. And then you're gonna put more mozzarella cheese. More mozzarella cheese. The production can pass me the lead. Production, thank you.
Yummy.
I know guys, the space of production helps. Gonna put it here for 5 minutes, 5 seconds. We're gonna open it, as we told you. And we're gonna put it on top. And the reason is because we want to keep the heat. But look how this is melting. You see how beautiful it is? There is nothing more sexier than a melted mozzarella cheese. Nothing more sexier. Sorry ladies.
Yummy.
I'm a foodie
Yummy.
guy. Okay? So we pass that back. Now
Yummy.
so you guys put that in here. Put that in here. Let that melted cheese simmer for a little bit. And now, listen guys, this is a 3-second thing. Not too crazy. It's just the only reason is I want the tomato and the
Yummy.
tomato and the pineapple to just get a little bit of the flavor of the bacon. Just a little bit. 1, 2, 3. You turn it around. That's the best way to let the tomato get some extra flavor. You see how this pop up? So the heat stays there. That's how you get the tomato with extra flavor.
Yummy.
Stop. This couple of seconds only. 1, 2, 1.
Yummy.
1, 2. See? A little bit of heat. And we're gonna close it. And now we're gonna be doing the milkshake we told you we're gonna do. And we're gonna show you how they doing it. So we're gonna keep the heat so we can prepare the burger in a few, okay? Stay with me. See you in a bit. Okay, guys, we are back. As I said, we are almost done with the
Yummy.
lunch today. This is the milkshake. Of
Yummy.
course, it had to be a milkshake with the burger. There's nothing better than a milkshake and a burger. Burger with a milkshake is like marriage, wife and husband, right? There's nothing better than pair a nice burger with a nice milkshake. We're gonna do strawberry milkshake as we promised you. We need the strawberries, some milk, ice. The reason I like ice is because as you blend as you blend the milkshake, it softens the ice cream. I like thick milkshake, so ice help to keep it a little bit hard. So now we do what we have to do. Gonna open it. Give me guys 1 second. Yeah, that's the way you open it. Okay, put this here.
Yummy.
So what we're gonna do? Gonna make it very simple. First, try to open this. There we go. Gonna
Yummy.
this on the bottom. Oops. Couple of ice. I know some people do it without the ice. I like to
Yummy.
put the ice. I'm gonna throw strawberries. Don't be cheap. Strawberry milk, you have to stay like strawberry. Okay, and of course the ice cream. I like thick ice cream, so I recommend thick ice cream.
Yummy.
Okay, we're gonna put this in and give it a try.
Yummy.
Okay, always. I'll put a little bit.
Yummy.
There you go. That's how to sound your milkshake. Check it out. Let's drop. See how pretty it is. We're gonna set it down. I'll show you the burger in a bit. So this is how it looks like. Now we're gonna sit down and show you the whole plate, and I hope you like it. See you in a bit. There you go, guys. We are here with the final product of the Jacky D burger and the milkshake, strawberry milkshake. And as I told you before, a burger that is not messy is not a burger. Not delicious. You see, it's messy, it tastes good. So the last part, before I dig in, put this around here, is the messy part. This is where we put the sauce. Let it go.
Yummy.
Everywhere. We're gonna make sure it's all everywhere. At that thing. Woo. Now, guys, the part I was waiting so far is the digging moment.
Yummy.
Oh my god, you see that mozzarella, how melty it is? I'll let you know. Once I know I have to eat in front of you, but I have to taste it.
Yummy.
Good, good. So delicious. You're not gonna regret it. And of course, a hint of milkshake. It make your life way more easier. Guys, I hope you follow every single step. Try
Yummy.
it. You're gonna love it. Mozzarella melted, bacon, tomato, and that piece of pineapple will make your life stressless. So, by the way, I hope you follow all the mechanics on this giveaway. The next
Yummy,
episode
yummy.
coming soon, and after the last episode, we're gonna do the raffle to see who's gonna win those 5,000 pesos. So stay with us and stay tuned. See you later.
Yummy.
Let it, bang, bang.